we got a little bit more light going. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what is inside my Ipsy bag in my Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of January. Yay! Let's see if Ipsy treated me right this time. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the fam, and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So, yeah, as you notice, there's a little bit more light going on here. I actually had gotten a ring light for Christmas from the Hubster, and I was kind of hesitant on using it because, as you guys know, I'm such an enclosed space right now because we don't live in a really big place. So I was kind of hesitant on using it. So I wanted to go ahead and just try it out, see how it is. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of it. If I should make it brighter, if I should lower it down some, if I should use the warmer setting, if I should use the, I guess it's like a natural light setting. I don't know. It's got 3 different settings. But let me know down in the comments below what you think. I would love to hear your feedback. So, the past couple months, Ipsy hasn't really been hitting the mark for me. So, I really hope that they redeem themselves this month. So, let's just go ahead and jump on into it. First up, let's go ahead and see what's in my regular bag for the month of January. I'm going to set the Glam Plus box over there because it's really big this month. I don't know why. It's like they used the Ultimate box for some reason. Weird. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. My hair was getting stuck in my lipstick. Not cute. Okay, we have an outside item. Okay, this is the bag for this month. I like the design of it. It's really nice. I don't like the feeling of it. I don't like the fabric of it. It's like this plasticky, almost like, you know, the arm floaties that kids wear in the pool. It's kind of like that material, and I'm not for it at all. But I love the design because I love me some marble design. If you're on my Instagram, you will see that I do have the marble design on my Instagram as my like theme type thing. I don't know. All right, here is the card for this month. It is Clean Slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, which you should be throwing out mascara 3 months after you open it regardless. I do it every 3 months. I got it marked on my calendar. And invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. And on the back, I guess they're having a giveaway going on right now. It says, they say the key to getting what you want is putting it into the universe. To kickstart that process, we're given one lucky intention setting Ipser over 80 products from all 3 of our memberships plus $1,000. Want to win, and it gives all the information. Yeah, so this is what's inside. I'm not gonna look at it because I like to be surprised. So the outside item we got is a Luxie brush, and it is their 560 medium fan brush. Now, I'm not a big fan of fan brushes because, I mean, a lot of people use fan brushes for their highlighter. Well, I really like my highlighter to be blinding, as you guys can see. This is actually the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics loose highlighter that I'm wearing today. And people use fan brushes to put on like a more light amount of highlighter. That's not for me. I like to use more denser brushes. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. Well, in the box for the future giveaway. Okay, we have a Pore Glow Mask from the brand J.J. Young by Cowlion Lab. Okay, I have no clue if this brand is cruelty-free or not, so I will pop that down at the bottom of the screen It just says Young Pore Glow Mask for Brighten and Glow. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm going to have to check to see if this is cruelty free or not. Next up, we have from Brooklyn and Bailey. It is the Lash Next Door Mascara in Blackout. Okay, I'm not going to keep this already, even if I don't know if the brand is cruelty-free or not. I will pop that at the bottom of the screen as well. I'm not going to keep this because I have so many mascaras that I need to use up before the 3-month mark. And I don't want to open it to look at the wand because I don't want it to expire because I opened it. So, yeah, I'm going to put this in the box for the giveaway as well. The next item we have is from Finding Ferdinand, and it is the mini lipstick in the shade Very Berry. I do know that this brand is cruelty free. I am not going to keep this once again because I have many different lipsticks, and I have lipsticks that are this shade. I mean, you guys can see, you know, behind me I have my lipsticks from Gerard Cosmetics, and I also have a drawer of bullet lipsticks as well. So I'm not going to keep this. I might just give this to Madison because she likes shades like this. Okay, the last item we have, this is the item I picked for my glam bag, and it is from Glow Recipe. It is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It says it is a makeup erasing and deep cleansing cleanser. I have been testing different cleansers lately, and I have noticed that I don't really like really thick cleansers that are on my skin. This one was one of them. The e.l.f. Jelly Pop cleanser. Don't like this because it's too thick. And I've tried a couple more since then, and they're really thick, and I'm all like, no, no, no. So I'm really hoping that this isn't too thick, and it has like a really thin consistency. It says gentle 3-in-1 makeup eraser, cleanser, and mask that hydrates without stripping. That's pretty cool. I like that. Can't wait to try that out. That is all that I have in my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm going to clean all this up, and we are going to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alrighty, it is now time to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of January. Like I said before, this box is pretty big. It's like they used the ultimate box, so I don't know why they did. We're going to figure that out. Let's try and find the card. Okay, I can't find the card, so we'll find it along the way. The first item we have is from Jewel Smith Beauty. It is a Power Gloss duo, and they are in the shades Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. These are like nice, pretty pinky lipsticks. One looks like it has more of like a glitter to it, and one has more of like a sheen to it. This brand is cruelty and vegan free, as it says so right here on the box. It says, inspired by the power and purpose of gemstones, our glosses provide balance, harmony, attraction, confidence, and well-being. Interesting. I'm not going to keep these. I have tons of lip glosses that I am trying to go through. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. Oh, this is actually an item I got with my Ipsy points. If you are an Ipster, you do know that if you accumulate a certain amount of points, you can trade them in for products, for extra products in your glam bag. This month, I picked the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I cannot wait to try this. I've been getting a lot of Murad products from Ipsy lately, and I really do like that because this brand is stupid expensive. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Next item we have is from Poreless. It is in their Prevent line, the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Hydrates intensively, firms, and brightens, and decreases puffiness. It is for all skin types and sensitive skin. I cannot wait to try this out. I do like Poreless products. They are cruelty free, and they are just amazing. So I cannot wait to try this out. All right, next up is the product I picked for my box this month, and it is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. I am so excited to try this out. I like how I've been getting a lot of Huda Beauty products in my Ipsy box because I had never tried them. I had never tried Huda's products before, but now I am actually really starting to like them. This is like super pretty. My mom would love it if I made a look with this palette because purples are her favorite color. We have 2 sets of sheet masks from the brand Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask Tone Up and Radiance. dermatologist tested. Okay. One, I have to see if this brand is cruelty free, and I'll pop it at the bottom of the screen. Two, I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not, because I do have a lot of sheet masks that I have upstairs in my bathroom that I really need to go through and use. So I don't know. I might keep one and throw the other one in the giveaway box. Here is the bag. Now see, you have the marble print, and then you have this like silvery metallic fabric going on. This is not made of that plastic material, but this is, and it's just like, it feels really cheap, if that makes any sense. It does. It feels like a dollar store pool floaty. That's what this feels like, and I'm not for it, but it's a pretty bag. I love the design, just don't like the fabric it's made out of. The last item I have is from Ahava. It is their Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin, and it is an Ipsy exclusive. It is in their Hydrate line. This brand is cruelty free, and I do believe it's vegan too. Yes, it is vegan. It is approved for sensitive skin as well. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I have a lot of Ahava products, and I have a lot of moisturizers. I may throw this in the giveaway box. So I'm going to clean all this up now, and then I will come back, run down the prices of the items in the Ipsy Glam Plus box, and then I will let you guys know what I think of this month. So I found the card in the box. It was jammed off to the side. All right, let's go ahead and run down these prices. For the Poreless Blue Lotus Serum, this is $58, and you're not even getting a whole fluid ounce. What the what? Hold on, I gotta see something. I'll be right back. So I went on Poreless's website to see if that's actually true. I mean, just for a 0.5 fluid ounce amount of serum for $58, and it's not even on their website. So yeah, that's pretty steep if you ask me. The Jules Smith Beauty glosses are $32. What is with these brands and these prices for their products? I mean, I understand they're an indie brand, but I mean, come on. If they were bigger, I would understand, but not. No. Okay, the Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask is a set of 6. So there's 3 in this pack and there's 3 in the other. And it is for $14.98 for a pack of 6, which I don't think that's a bad price at all. That is really, really good price. The Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer, we all know that this brand is stupid expensive. This is $67. Why? I don't get it. And the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette is $27, which is not a bad price at all. Yeah, this month is okay for me. I like my Plus box better than my regular Ipsy bag. I have to go through brands again to see if they're cruelty free or not. I'm starting to notice I'm getting a lot more skincare, and I really don't need any more skincare because I have so much that I'm trying out right now that my face is just like, whoa, slow down with the skincare. So I need to do my settings on my Ipsy so they can stop sending me all this skincare. I will have a link down in the description box if you want to sign up for Ipsy, Ipsy Glam Plus, or Ipsy Ultimate. It is not an affiliate link. I don't earn any money from it at all. It is just a referral link if you want to sign up. And that is all that I have for you guys today. All of my social media handles will be down in the description bar. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all of the products that I used on my face today and my eyes for my look will be in the description box down below as well. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Alrighty, it is now time to see what is in my Ipsy. I'm not ready. Oh, this stuff is stupid expensive. $32 for this? What? Oh, my nose is stuffy. I need to go blow it. Picture time, gotta do the thumbnail.